In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use summary blocks on Squarespace, a valuable tool for enhancing the design and functionality of your website. If you're new to Squarespace or just looking to improve your site's appearance, this guide will help you make the most of the summary blocks feature. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Squarespace website and navigate to the page where your blog is located. This is where we'll be integrating the summary block, which is perfect for displaying condensed versions of your blog posts or any other collections you'd like to feature. Once you're on your blog page, look for the Edit button and give it a click. This action will put your page into edit mode, allowing you to make changes. Next, you'll see various options where you can add content. Here, you'll need to find an insert point, which looks like a small bubble with a horizontal line. Click on this and a menu will pop up with various block types to choose from. To continue, select Summary from this menu. This option allows you to highlight and summarize content from your site efficiently, providing an engaging way for visitors to interact with your material. After inserting the summary block, you'll want to double-click it. This will open up further options where you'll click Select a Page. Here, you can choose which parts of your site you'd like the summary block to feature. This might be a specific blog post category, a portfolio, or any other page that fits your needs. Once you've selected the page you want to feature, click the Back button. Now, move to Data Posted. Selecting this option allows you to choose how your data is displayed in the summary block. You might decide to include elements like the title, excerpt, or metadata. This is a crucial step in ensuring the information presented is exactly what you want your visitors to see. The next step involves modifying the appearance of your summary block to match your site's aesthetic. Click on Design to alter the layout settings. Here, you can customize the look of your block, whether you prefer a carousel, grid, or list layout. Playing around with these settings will help you find the best fit for your site's style. You can adjust other design elements to further refine the appearance, ensuring it complements the rest of your page beautifully. Take some time to explore the features available in the design settings. Squarespace offers a wide array of options to help your site truly stand out. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Save. Your changes will now be live, and your summary block will be an active part of your blog page, adding both functionality and visual appeal. There you have it, a simple and effective way to enhance your Squarespace site with summary blocks. Make sure you explore and experiment with different options to see what works best for you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy creating on Squarespace.